All right, problem number 68. Now, I was just looking at this problem going, oh my goodness, those are big numbers. I can't believe I gave you those big numbers. But I decided to keep it on there anyways because I wanted to show you that even if it's big numbers, you still do it exactly the same way. So with this problem, you could use a calculator if you needed it. I don't think we'll need it today, but we'll try. So first thing we look and we say, is there any greatest common factor? And so we got 3p squared plus 37p plus 90. So there's a 3. 37 is not divisible by 3, but 90 is, and 3 is. So there is no greatest common factor because of that 37. So what we're going to do is we're going to take A times C, which is 3 times 90, which is 270. We put that on the top, and then down on the bottom we put our B, which is 37. So now we're just going to start going through, and I go 1, 270, no. 2, 135, no. 3, 90, no. 4 doesn't go into it, 5 doesn't go into it, 6 doesn't go into it, 7 doesn't go into it, 8 doesn't go into it, and 9 and 30. So 9 plus 30 is 39. That doesn't work. 10 and 27. Oh, there it is. 10 and 27 do add up to 37p. So I'm going to show you two different ways. So we go, this is called splitting the middle term. This is probably the way that you're most familiar with. We go 3p squared plus 10p plus 27p plus 90. All we did was split this middle term up into that. So then now we look at this and we say, what can we factor out of these two terms and then these two terms? So you factor out a p out of both of those, and this gets us 3p plus 10. Factor out a 9 out of both of those, and that leaves us with 3p plus 10. So you look and now you have a common term, right? This is p times 3p plus 10 plus 9 times 3p plus 10. So we can factor that out, and it becomes 3p plus 10 times p plus 9. And that's how you would get that answer right there. Even though it's really big numbers, it's still possible to do. Okay, if you want to know the way that I do it, I would take this 10 and this 27, and over here in my diamond, I'd write 3p plus 10 and 3p plus 27. Now, if I multiplied those together, and the 3p just comes from this first term right there. If I multiplied those together, I'd get 9p squared, and we want it to be 3p squared. So we have to do what I call the magic factoring stage. And I look at 3p plus 10, nothing comes out of there, but 3p plus 27, a 3 comes out of both of those. So I change that to p plus 9. And that 3, it's the magic factoring stage. It's a trick. It just makes it go away. So we get 3p plus 10 times p plus 9. So two different ways to do the same exact problem. You've got to figure out which one you like better. All right, so now let's look at problem number 69, which is also a very big numbers. So we got 6x squared plus 29x plus 28. So we do our term on the top is 6 times 28. So 6 times 28 is, what is that? Let's see. 6 times 8 is 48. 6 times 2 is 12, plus 4 is 168. And then the bottom is going to be 29. Okay, that's our middle term right there. We just start listing them off. This is absolutely what I would do if I was doing this problem. 1 times 168, no. 2 times 84, no. 3 doesn't go into that. 3 does go into it. 3 and 56, but that doesn't add up to 29. We're trying to find factors of 29. 4 and 42, nope. 4, 5, 6, does 6 go into it? 6 does. 6 and, let's see, 2 times 6 is 12, 48, 28. 6 plus 28 is 34, so we're getting closer. 7, 8, 8 and 21. So 8 times 21 is 168. 8 plus 21 is 29. So we split our middle term up, that 29x, into 6x squared plus 8x plus 21x. Do you guys see that 8x plus 21x is just 29x? plus 28. So all we're doing is rewriting this problem, but splitting that middle term up. Factor the greatest common factor out of the first two, and then the second two. So the greatest common factor out of 6x squared is 2x, and we're left with 3x plus 4, plus 21x and 28x, we can factor out a 7, and we're left with 3x plus 4. And that's always what we want, is those two to be the same. So this becomes 2x plus 7 times 3x plus 4. Okay, this needs to become something that is so easy for you. You should practice lots and lots and lots of these.